How to clone the Windows on any drive that is bootable. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to do so, you would require this particular software which is available on the description box. Just tap on the link and download it. Once you have downloaded and installed the Win2 USB drive or software, you will see different features that is available. Hereby, if you want to clone the Windows, here are the steps that you need to continue with. First of all, you need to connect the USB or Thunderbolt drive to the computer and then download, install and run to USB. After that, you have to select the installation source and then the destination one. Once that is done, you have to click on Format button. This will then format your drive. In the next dialog box, you'll be asked for cloning, so you just have to tap on Yes. It might take a while to clone the Windows, and once it is done, it will restart the computer with a bootable device. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.